So far, I've taken a 15% hit, but I've still outperformed TQQQ by 22%. Hey everyone, welcome to Million Dollar SIP, where I'm documenting my real time journey of growing my portfolio from zero to $1 million in 10 years using a hybrid SIP strategy. This is day 29 update, and I'll take you through my investment decision, trade execution, and performance update. But before that, a quick disclaimer. This channel serves as my personal investment journal and is not a financial advice. So always do your own research before investing. And TQQ is a high risk ETF, and investing a large amount at once is extremely dangerous. I personally follow a SIP approach with strict risk management to navigate volatility. I began my analysis by reviewing the previous day's opening price and closing price on the daily time frame to determine my investment limit for the day. Given that the market is clearly in a downtrend, my strategy dictates an investment range of $200 to $250 to accumulate more units at lower prices. So after setting my investment limit, I switched to the 5-minute time frame to identify an optimal entry point. TQQQ opened below the 12 EMA, and instead of rushing into a trade, I patiently waited for a clear bounce back above the 12 EMA, which didn't happen until around 1 p.m. So I executed my trade, purchasing 4 units at $57.73, investing a total of $230. And by the end of the trading session, TQQQ closed at 57.34, marking a steep 7.96% decline for the day. A significant drop driven by ongoing concerns such as the escalating trade war, economic uncertainties, and rising fears of a recession. The broader market also faced heavy losses. S&P 500 down 1.97% today, overall 9% since Feb 18 when the decline began. Nasdaq 100 down by 2.61% today and down 13% over the past 5 weeks. Dow Jones 2% today and down 7% over the past 5 weeks. So the market correction continues to pressure equities, but my hybrid SIP strategy helps me to take advantage of these declines by accumulating units at lower prices while following strict risk management. Now, let's take a look at today's portfolio performance. So far, my total investment stands at $64.91, with the latest TQQQ price closing at $57.34. This brings the market value of my holdings to $5,505. My average cost per unit is currently 67.6, meaning I'm sitting on a net loss of $986, which translates to a 15% decline. Since I started this investment journey, TQQQ has dropped by 37%, but my portfolio has declined by only 15%. This means I have successfully outperformed TQQQ by 22% so far. So that wraps up day 29 of my investment journey. I'll continue sharing daily updates, and if you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along to see how this journey unfolds. See you in the next video.